There is a town in America where time stopped. Bodie, California. Once home to 10,000 people, now home to silence. Buildings still stand, doors still open, but no one lives there. Why did everyone leave? What remains inside the abandoned houses? And why do people say this place is haunted? In the mountains of California, near the Nevada border, there is a town frozen in time. Bodie was once a bustling gold mining town. Today, it is a ghost town preserved in arrested decay, meaning buildings are left exactly as they were, neither restored nor demolished. Bodie was founded in 1859 when Prospector W.S. Bodie discovered gold in the area. The town was named after him. By the 1870s, Bodie was one of the most famous mining towns in the American West. At its peak, it had over 10,000 residents, 65 saloons, and a reputation for violence. During the gold rush, Bodie was wild. Miners worked long hours underground. Saloons stayed open all night. Fights were common. The town earned the nickname the wickedest town in the West. But beneath the chaos, people built homes, schools, and churches. They hoped to build a future. By the early 1900s, the gold began to run out. Mines closed. People left to find work elsewhere. Fires destroyed large parts of the town. By 1942, the post office closed. Bodie was officially abandoned. In 1962, Bodie became a state historic park. Instead of restoring the buildings, officials chose arrested decay. This means no repairs, no demolition, no modern changes. Windows stay broken. Paint continues to peel. Furniture remains where people left it. The goal is to preserve the authentic feeling of a ghost town. Today, visitors report strange experiences in Bodie. Doors that close by themselves, voices in empty rooms, shadows moving where no one stands. Some believe the spirits of miners and townspeople still wander the streets. Others say it's just the wind and the imagination. Bodie teaches us about the American dream and its cost. People came seeking fortune. Some found it. Many did not. The town reminds us that prosperity can disappear as quickly as it arrives, and that sometimes the most powerful stories are told by silence. Bodie is more than a ghost town. It is a time capsule, a reminder of human ambition. A place where history whispers through broken windows. What do you think remains in Bodie? Just buildings or something more?